Hey student, watch this video and learn the difference between doubt and question. Coming up. Hey friends, Teacher Prix here to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. Well, first of all, thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time here, well, thanks for giving me an opportunity to teach you. From Monday to Friday, I have many different kinds of English lessons to help you become a better and more confident English speaker. So consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of my lessons. Now guys, today I'm going to talk to you guys about the difference between doubt and question in English. It's going to be a very short and sweet lesson because this is a very common mistake English learners make. And here, the problem is that many English learners tend to use the word doubt to give the idea of question. So in reality, when you have a question in English, many students tend to say they have a doubt, okay? And that is the problem here. So it's important that you understand that you understand the difference between doubt and question so that you can start using these words correctly, okay? So here I will give you an example. Knowing the right way to use present perfect is a very common question among English learners. So many English learners are confused. They don't know how to use present perfect, if they should use present perfect or not. So this is a common question. Many English learners will say that that's a doubt, but that is not okay. You don't say, I have a doubt, I have some doubts. No, you say you have a question, okay? So here, this is not how native speakers use doubt, all right? So if you want, basically, if you want to better understand an English lesson or an explanation that someone has just given to you, you use question. You don't use doubt, okay? Another example, can chocolate make you gain weight? That's a common question among chocolate lovers like me. So this is a common question. Do I gain weight if I eat chocolate? Do I not gain weight if I eat chocolate? Oh my God. So basically, every time you want to express the idea of asking a question to clarify something you don't understand very well, you need question, okay? So you want a little bit more explanation because it's not clear. You want more information about something. Question, no doubt. Doubt is connected with something that you believe or not. In many cases, you don't believe, okay? You don't believe, excuse me. So you have doubts about something. So when you look at me and say, teacher, I have some doubts. I don't understand you have questions. I understand you don't believe something, okay? You are not certain about something being true or being possible, but not because you don't understand, but because you don't believe. Okay, so this is very important. You need to understand. Here, I'm going to tell you an example that will make that very clear. Chris promised he would change, but I have my doubts. Okay, I cannot say I have my questions because if I say I have questions, it means I want more explanation. I need to understand. But here, I don't believe. I don't think it's possible. I'm not sure that it's possible for Chris to change. So I can say, well, I have my doubts. So this is very common, my doubts. I have some doubts, but here, my doubts. I have my doubts. I don't believe, okay? Another example, I doubt. Here I'm using doubt as a verb. I doubt you will be able to finish all of this by yourself. So maybe this is an exercise or a project, and I look at you and say, I doubt you will be able to finish this by yourself. Let me help you. Or maybe you're talking about a colleague from work. Susie, I doubt Susie will be able to finish that project by herself. I don't know, she needs help. Let's talk to her. Okay? So to be in doubt is also possible, okay? So Peter is still in doubt whether he should move to California or not. So he is still in doubt whether he should move to California or not. So you see, it's a very different situation when you want to use doubt. It's because you don't know. In doubt, in this example, he's uncertain. So I have two possibilities here. When you are uncertain about something, or when you don't believe something, like I said about Chris, that promised to change, but I don't believe Chris will change. I doubt it. Okay, I doubt he's going to change. Okay, now in the case of uncertain, like Peter is still in doubt whether he moves to California or not, it's very common to say not sure. Peter is not sure about moving to California. So this is more common in conversations where native speakers are having a conversation when they are uncertain. So instead of saying, oh, I have some doubts about moving to California or staying in Brazil, you can simply say, I'm not sure about this. Should I go to California or not? Okay, I'm not sure whether I move to California or not. So basically, guys, this is the main difference between question and doubt. If you don't understand a lesson, if you watch the lesson and it's not clear, you have questions, okay? If there's a situation that you don't believe it's possible, you doubt, okay? So here, oh, Chris changed? I have my doubts, okay? Because Peter is crazy, he never changes. You know Peter, okay? Susie finish all the project by herself? I doubt it, okay? I have my doubts. But having doubts as questions, you don't understand something, it's complicated, question, okay? I have a question about this. You don't have a doubt, all right? Now, support the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.